Hey everyone, this video will be covering some rail fanning I did along Union Pacific's Austin subdivision in the North Austin Mo-Pac area, first on April 19th and again on October 25th. Our first train is Amtrak Train 22, the daily southbound Texas Eagle, only today it was led by a BNSF-9 due to an engine failure in locomotive 68. The second train of the morning was an unusually long MLD&L with only 2 motors on the head end and 1 in the middle as a helper. The train seen in the siding was an unknown manifest train with quite an interesting leader. At the time, 5325 was one of the first big shield leaders that I had ever seen, with no flag on the nose. The mid-train helper was a General Electric ET44AH locomotive, helping distribute power on the Austin sub's tight corners and large grades. The next train up was a southbound rock train, and he was definitely taking advantage of the southbound speed limit. As the southbound rock train cleared, the northbound manifest was already preparing to depart North Sneed. And sure enough, after a slight location move and a few minutes wait, 5325 North departed the hole at North Sneed. The departure of the northbound would mark the end of the day of rail fanning on April 19th. However, almost half a year later, I came back and rail fanned a little bit more. Once again, our first train of the day would be the daily southbound Texas Eagle, though this time under its own power. For the next train, we headed to South Austin and set up on the St. Elmo Street overpass to catch a loaded sand train climbing the grade. After a failed catch in downtown Austin, we caught back up with the head end while it was almost stalling on the Mo-Pac grade. The shot we chose for this catch was quite interesting, being the only place where you can get between the northbound and southbound lanes of the Mo-Pac freeway. After catching just the head end, we chased the slow-moving train to our next location at the Steck Avenue overpass, just over the north switch of Sneed Siding. The tail end of the northbound sand train would mark the end of rail fanning on October 25th. I hope you enjoyed the video and thank you for watching.